Oi, oi! So you done know, back in the place, you get me? Machine settings, welcome. You get me? Back in the place. Oi, oi! Oh man, this is when I'm like, whether you see it or not. Alright, my people, this is the 512 SD card. The 512 SD card that I put in before. I bought it when I got the Machine Plus, and I put it in before to, you know what I'm saying, to try and format and use with the Machine Plus. So I've just got it back, so I'm gonna go in and try again. How do I format it from the machine itself? Booyah! So I think it's storage and then format. Yeah. So I've formatted it. Now I'm going to try and select save. I'm going to put welcome 1. So if I press browser. Boom! Bop, 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 bop! Yes. Praises and blessings. You get me? However, I'm not going to get excited yet. Like, obviously some of you may understand in it or may not, but the reason why I'm so happy that it worked is because, like, these things aren't cheap in it. And yes, I stated in the video that it's an interest-free whatever, but still, like, paying around about £40 for 24 months, like, this is £1,000. And when you purchase something and you make a decision to purchase it, like I sold my MPC Live 2 for this, right? And like I said, I built up such an expectation. I went out and bought a pair of Audio-Technica headphones, you know what I'm saying? I bought the SD card. I'm trying to get hold of a fit head for the mic. So I really prepared myself to start creating again, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, when the SD card happened, man, it was such a anti-climax, and it didn't put me off purchasing anything from Native Instruments, because I've been a Native Instruments user for 10 years, but I think what threw me a bit was just sometimes, like, in a way, the lack of support and not getting through to a human. And I know times have changed, innit? Everyone's moved to an online model and stuff, but when you're going through an issue, right, sometimes you just want to be able to talk to someone or have a response. Because I've done all the right things. I packaged up the old one, sent it off, whoop, whoop, whoop. And I feel like when it came to the aftercare part, it dropped. You know what I'm saying? It dropped a bit. So I did say in the support thread, I was like, yo, like, are you gonna, you know, provide me with anything for my inconvenience? There's been no response as of yet. And the one part of me is like, oh, you know, don't expect anything and whoop 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 and oh, at least you got your Machine Plus. But another part of me is like, bro, like this shouldn't even happen, yo. You know what I'm saying? Shouldn't even happen. But yeah, man. I'm happy it's back. I'm gonna make my beats again. Yeah, man. And that's me. But yeah, peace out. Such an anticlimax, I know. Should be elated right now. Such an anticlimax. But it is what it is. Anyway, peace.